In this video, I show you how to fix Realme camera not working, camera not opening problem on Realme phone or any other Android phone. For fixing this problem, long press on your camera app, then click on I button here, then click on force stop, then click on OK, then click on storage and cache, clear cache, then clear storage, then delete, go back, then click on permission, allow location permission or any other permission. Now restart your phone. After restart your phone, now open your camera app. Now I hope that this method fixes Realme camera networking problem. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.